Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll explain how to sell items in Heartopia, so let's dive in. Now, if you're collecting things like crops, insects, fish, or other items, and want to turn them into currency, the process is actually very simple. Now, first you want to open up your map and look for the gold merchant NPC named Albert Jr. He looks something like this. This person. As you can see, says there, Albert Jr. This is the character who allows you to sell items in Heartopia. Now, one important thing to keep in mind is that Albert Jr., he moves around. So you may need to track him down on the map before you can interact with him. Now, once you find him, just walk up and talk to him and choose the option that says sell item. After selecting that option, your inventory will open and allowing you to choose which items you want to sell. You can select crops, insects, fish, or any other sellable items you have. Once you're done selecting everything, just simply click the sell button below. After confirming, you'll immediately receive payment for all the items sold, and that's all there is to it. Quick and easy. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks,